Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your English teacher. Hope you are doing well. As you know, this is 5th week and we have a topic Unit 2. Hello there. Topic we have writing formal versus email, formal versus informal email. Right? First of all, you should know what is email. Email stands for electronic mail, which is sent through electronic mediums. It can be your computer, your laptop, or your mobile phones. You know, students, it is very much in use in these days. Email is the quickest way. Instantly we send the mail, the receiver gets it. So this is very important to know how to write an email. First of all, I will tell you the types of mail. There are two types, formal email and informal email. Formal email is written to offices, government departments, companies, or you can write also for business deals, or it can also be written to schools, to your principals, to your teachers in a very formal way. Then formal email should be written with proper grammar structure. There should be proper syntax structure. There should be proper punctuation, proper tenses. Like you should not write half sentences, or you should not use contractions. Abbreviations are not written in formal emails. Next, it should be begun with proper beginning and proper ending. You should be very careful or follow the structure. And then there should be full signature with contact detail. Like the person whom you are writing the mail don't know you, so you need to tell them your complete detail with your resume as well. Next comes informal email. Informal email is written to family, friends, or relatives. Right? We can use in this informal email, we can use contractions. Like in our language or in our style, we are friendly, we remain friendly, because these are written to families or friends. So we can use abbreviations, we can use slangs, right? So in contraction, like you can write isn't, you can write don't instead of do not. You can add short or half sentences even with slangs, like PLZ for please, LOL for laughing out louder. There are too many examples of slangs you can add in informal email writing. So next, in informal email writing, no need to add your contact detail, because whom you are writing mail, he or she already knows you. So there is no requirement to give your complete detail. You can simply write in the end your name, or just with a very friendly complimentary clause. Understand, students? Now I will tell you the format of informal email, because it is your task to write an informal email to your friend. So for this you will follow this structure and write informal email. Check, it is written to. Into, you will write the email ID of the person whom you are going to write the mail, the recipient, the receiver of the mail. And next, from. In from, you will write your own ID. Like for example, if I am going to write email, I will write salihasamreen@gmail.com. Your own, the person who is writing the mail, his or her own ID. Next, date, it is optional. Do remember, there is no hard and fast rule for informal email. Sometimes from is written at first, or to is written in the second, or date is written, sometimes date is not written. It is your choice. In informal email, you have your choice, right? In date, whatever the date you will write. Next comes subject. In subject, you will write the reason of writing, why you are writing the email. Like, and do remember, the subject should be short. It should not be a complete sentence. It will be a short, like a memorable trip. It should be brief, it should be precise. Okay. Next comes salutation. Salutation is a greeting. You will write hi Sarah, hi Mary, like these type of words you can add in a very friendly way. I'm telling you again, informal emails should be written a friendly way, because these are written to your friends, your families, your relatives, your close ones, right? Then comes body of the mail. Whatever the topic, according to that you will write the email. And do remember, email is written, should be written in paragraphs, like 2 paragraphs